Hello guys, I was looking at Bitcoin today and it was looking quite interesting because many patterns were in conflict with each other, and this is showing something very strange overall. So the question is, should we trade right now, or probably we should wait and let's see how the picture will develop. So let's go on with our analysis and I will explain everything with simple words what may happen. So as we can see also from the previous times, we had the first part of the movement that was created from Luna crash, and after that we can see the next one that was created from Celsius. So this is something that is not changing too much overall. If you are going to look at the price areas, this is looking quite interesting. The crash of the movement is almost the same, and we are having approximately 30,000 price decrease on the previous hint, and on the second one from that movement we had approximately the same 30,000, 12,000. Look at how the price came down. So hope at the beginning that we are not going to have any other Luna or crash or a Celsius crash, because after that Bitcoin is going to go to 7,000 as we can see, and after that it may consolidate to 10,000. So let's go above the topic because we don't want Bitcoin to move low right now, but we have to see also the scenario. From the tops and the bottoms of the pattern, I'm going to delete this from the previous time. I was looking at for Bitcoin to change direction within 80,000 and 20,000, and actually as we can see that happened already. So it was very interesting how the price respected the collapse from Celsius. Now it is trying to make any reversal pattern before it moves. We can anticipate the price to move very high for the time being. What is very surprising is this part of the structure. I'm going to leave this, not to delete this pattern. I'm going to move on the 1 hour time frame, the same Bitcoin. This is a clear chart, 60-minute time frame. For a normal trader, probably you can't see anything at all at this chart, but what is quite interesting is that here we can find two different setups at the same chart. It's very interesting fact. Look at the first one that we can find it here. The first one is that we have this wedge pattern and the price moved up. So looking at the price of Bitcoin from this perspective, it should continue moving higher. So let's say that we can have some normal targets up to the top of the structures, that they are really normal target and very solid one for Bitcoin. So we can see the price to move in this direction. This is something very clear that we can think, because we had the first wave movement 3, 4 and the 5, and on the other hand we have also 1, 3 wave movement. So after this we can expect a 5 wave movement again. So this is the next potential scenario, let's say. For this pattern we can expect the bullish movement. Now, which is the problem that we are facing at the same time on this pattern? I will make a brief presentation of the benefits of the WhiteBIT crypto exchange. WhiteBIT is one of the largest European cryptocurrency exchanges. What is really surprising about this broker is that they possess European exchange and custody licenses. WhiteBIT meets the KYC and AML requirements. That means that you will have reliable protection of assets and their securities. You can also make passive income from your money even if you don't intend to invest in certain time periods. Earn up to 30% of passive income on Bitcoin, Ethereum and USDT. These interest rates are impressive compared to other brokers. They have also low trade rates up to 0.1%. You can trade more than 450 trading pairs, and their referral program offers 40% revenue from referral trading commissions. if you want protected funds and earn more passive income, you can open an account via the referral link in the comment section below. We have a bearish head and shoulder. What is this showing to us? For the moment we are in potential bearish head and shoulder. It is called potential because the price should come to break the neckline and after that it can move lower. So we are in two different scenarios. One is showing that Bitcoin is going to increase and one is showing that we have the potential that Bitcoin can decrease. So overall the price is creating this type of conflictual pattern with each other because it is in deep correction. So probably we can see the price to continue expanding the bearish movement and after that it can move up, as we have discussed also during the previous time, or probably we can see the price to continue up and to face a resistance close to the top of the structure. And close to the top of the structure is this scenario here, close to the top of the structure. But why both of these has higher chances of happening? Look at what is actually happening here at this point. If price is going to move up, exists a chance that it can move down again from this point, because on the 4-hour time frame price is going to create this pattern. So we can be in a potential head and shoulder pattern after this, inverse head and shoulder. So the price, the movement that we can face on the right shoulder of the pattern can create the bearish movement and after that it can move lower. So this is why I am anticipating this movement as a potential one. Also the bullish pattern can create also in a different way, as we have explained also before. These are very advanced techniques, as you may see. Price may also create this slope inverse head and shoulder pattern with a slope neckline. This is the neckline for this pattern. I'm going to make it green, the next one. And look at how beautiful this is created at this moment. So price can break the neckline from this point, it can come up and it can continue higher up to 22.8. That is a very critical area. On the other side, what can happen is that price can confirm the neckline of the small head and shoulder pattern, and probably we can see it to come lower again up to 19.2 approximately, as we are expecting, but it can come also lower up to the base of the structure. So I wouldn't be surprised for this movement as well, because overall we can be also in one scenario, another one, for a 5-wave movement up, and the 3-wave movement can develop down in an extended wave, and after that price can continue and creates another high. So with so many scenarios, we just need to position ourselves if we have to wait on Bitcoin to increase value or to decrease value, and after that we need to initiate any of the trades. For the time being, considering the complexity of the patterns and how possible are all of them that can be completed, that is making everything very, very difficult overall, probably it is the best time to wait for us. If you want to take the bullish side or bearish side, is the right moment if you want to join right now. So just take decision in all of this. So this is what I am expecting overall for Bitcoin. In my personal opinion, everyone should stay out for the time being, because it's a complex scenario, too many patterns that are developing, and Bitcoin will require a lot of time before it begins with the next movement, because it was developed in the same way also during the previous time. exists the possibility that Bitcoin can move within 19k and 22, I guess, for more than 1 month and a half before it begins the next movement. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, press the like button for more future contents. Bye bye.